Hi. Now second year, first book standard questions. This topic is important because majority part is current electricity in NEET exam. Electricity in the NEET exam. First question. Charge Q is equal to N into small q. That NQ is divided into two parts such that the force between them is maximum. And next time they made two parts and separated to the same distance such that force between them is minimum. Then the ratio between maximum force and minimum force formula. The ratio between maximum force and minimum force in terms of N. Second one, two charged bobs suspended from the same peg and angle made by each string with vertical is theta. Now the arrangement is immersed in liquid. Even though inside the liquid the angle does not change, then the dielectric constant of the liquid is how much? Rho is density of the bob, sigma is density of the liquid. Third question, three charges each plus q are kept at three corners of an equilateral triangle. A charge small q is kept at the center of the triangle. All charges are in equilibrium, then the value of small q. Fourth one, two charged pendulums suspended from same peg taken to gravity free space. What is the angle between the two strings? Fifth one, infinity charges each plus q arranged along x-axis at a distances of 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, etc. up to infinity. 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, 8 meter, etc. infinity. Then intensity at the origin. Find the intensity at origin. Sixth one, there is a dipole moment P at a distance r from the center of the dipole. The electric potential formula. The distance is the line joining that line is making an angle theta with the dipole. Okay, electric potential formula. Seventh one, relation between intensity and potential, electric potential, at least 3 or 4 relations in terms of integration, differentiation, etc. you have to give. Next, eighth one, two charges q1, q2 separated by a distance r, then the potential energy between them. Ninth one, a dipole is kept in an electric field, then its potential energy formula. 10th one, a charged particle traveling through a potential difference V acquired a velocity V. Then the relation between them, that means the potential difference, charge and mass of the particle and velocity relation. 11th one, capacity of the capacitor when a dielectric plate of thickness T and a dielectric constant K is introduced between the plates. Where A is the area of the plates, D is distance between the plates, then the new capacity formula. 12th one, two capacitors are joined such that positive plate to positive plate, negative plate to negative plate, then the loss of energy. 13th one, infinity parallel rows are there. First row having one capacitor, second one two capacitor, third row 4 capacitors, like that infinity connected between the 2 points, parallelly connected between the 2 points A and B. Then the equivalent capacity if all capacitors are identical. 14th one, an identical liquid drops or charged drops are merged, each one having energy U, then the big drop energy. 15th one, the capacitor of the spherical capacitor of radius R. 16th one, resistance of a conductor in terms of length L and volume of the wire V. Resistance of the conductor of length L, volume V. 17th one, 12 equal resistors, each resistance are connected in the form of the skeleton cube. The equivalent resistance between ends of the phase diagonal. 18th one, infinity resistors arranged in the form of ladder between the 2 points A and B. Then equivalent resistance between A and B. 19th one, n identical cells each EMF E connected in series, and in that m cells wrongly connected, the equivalent EMF E dash is 20th one. In a row, m cells each EMF E are connected and each one having internal resistance small r. Such rows n rows connected parallel between the 2 points and connected to the load resistance R. To get the maximum current in the load resistance R, the condition between N, M, R, small r, capital R, small r. 21. The potential gradient of potentiometer formula. E1 EMF of the cell, R1 small r1 is internal resistance, capital R is resistance of the wire, L is length of the wire, RH is resistance of the rheostat. 22. Equilateral triangle of sidereal carrying current I. The magnetic induction field at the center of the triangle. 13th one. There is a current carrying coil of radius R along the axis at a distance x. The magnetic induction field is 1 by 8 times the magnetic induction at the center. Then value of x. 24th one. There is a current carrying coil, magnetic induction at the center is B. Now the coil is unwound and rewound such that the number of turns increased by x times and connected to the same battery. The new magnetic induction at the center. 25th one. Two current carrying coils connected parallel, connected to the battery. Then the ratio of magnetic inductions at their centers. 26th one. There is an ammeter resistance A. Now we want to increase the range of ammeter by n times. The shunt required is how much? 27th one. Current sensitivity in MCG, moving coil galvanometer, current sensitivity theta by I formula in MCG. 28th one. The voltmeter, galvanometer converted to voltmeter, voltmeter reading V. Ig is current through galvanometer, G is resistance of galvanometer, and R is series resistance. Then voltmeter reading formula. 29th one. There is a wire magnet of moment M that is bent in the form of arc of circle, making an angle theta at the center, the new magnetic moment. 30th one. Time period of vibrating magnet in terms of moment of inertia and magnetic moment. 31st one. Time period of the vibrating magnet is T. Now the magnet is cut into n equal parts perpendicular to axial line. The one part is vibrated. The time period now is 32. North pole of sharp bar magnet kept due north. Null points obtained on axial line. Null points obtained on equatorial line. Now the magnet is rotated through 90 degrees. The magnetic induction at a previous null point is 33. What is the relation between susceptibility and permeability of the medium? Permeability, relative permeability and susceptibility relation. And if d phi is the change in flux of a coil and R is resistance, then induced charge is 35th one. Current is passing through an inductor, then energy stored in the inductor of inductance L. 36th one. There is a loop length L, small l, and it is kept in another loop of length capital L in carrying current I. Then the mutual inductance between them proportional to is directly proportional to 37th one. Suppose in an inductor of inductance L, current is changing at the rate of di by dt, then induced EMF. 38th one. In a transformer, number of turns in the primary N1, number of turns in the secondary N2, I1, I2 are the currents in primary and secondary, then the relation between them. 39th one. Power consumed, average power consumed in any electrical device formula. Phi is phase angle between current and voltage, then the power formula. 40th one. In inductor, current expression for the current I is equal to I naught into something. So inductor, pure inductor, alternating current is passing, current expression. The 41. Impedance of LCR circuit formula. 42. If an LCR circuit phase difference between current and voltage is phi, then tan phi value. Tan phi is equal to how much? 43. During resonance, resonating frequency in LCR circuit resonating frequency formula. 44. Quality factor. We know W naught by omega naught by 2 delta omega. Then its value in terms of L and R and omega naught. 45. During resonance, tell some conditions. What happened during resonance? What about XL XC relation, current, impedance, phase angle, etc. 46th one. Displacement current expression. And 47th one, mu r epsilon r relative permeability and relative permittivity, then refractive index of the medium. 48th one, average energy density in terms of mu epsilon naught and E naught, and similarly B naught and mu naught. 49th one, electromagnetic waves, velocity is c, then the relation between intensity of electric field and intensity of magnetic field. 50th one, expression for variable magnetic induction field to generate electromagnetic waves. Expression for magnetic induction field. Okay, now check your answers. So in this case you have to practice the derivations also. First of all, you have to learn the formulas. First one, the ratio between maximum force and minimum force is n square by 4 into n minus 1. Second one, the dielectric constant of the medium rho by rho minus sigma. Third one, the charge at the center of the triangle is minus capital Q by root 3. Fourth one, in a gravity free space the angle between the strings is 180 degrees. Fifth one, the charge at the intensity of electric field at the origin due to infinity charges along x-axis is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 q by 3. The electric potential at a distance r from the dipole is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p cos theta by r square. Seventh one, relation between intensity and electric potential difference is E is equal to V by D, or V is equal to minus integral E dr, or V is equal to minus E bar dot R bar, or E is equal to minus dV by dx. These are the four relations. Next, eighth one, potential energy between two charges 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r. Ninth one, potential energy due to potential energy of the dipole in electric field is minus Pe cos theta. 10th one, relation between potential difference charge and velocity acquired is Vq is equal to half mv square. 11th one, the capacity when due to a dielectric plate is epsilon naught A by D minus T into 1 minus 1 by K. 12th one, loss of energy in when two capacitors connected, half C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. 13th one, infinity branches connected parallel to one another, the equivalent capacity is 2C. 14th one, energy of the big drop is n power 5 by 3 into U. 15th one, capacitor of spherical capacitor is 4 pi epsilon naught r. 16th one, the resistance of a conductor R is equal to rho L square by V. 17th one, the potential difference between the ends of the diagonal of the face is 3 by 4 r. 18th one, the infinity ladder series resistance is 1 plus root 3 into r. 19th one, intensity equivalent EMF when cells connected in a series and M cells wrongly connected n minus 2m into E. 20th, maximum condition for maximum current through the load resistance NR is equal to M into small r. N capital R is equal to M into small r. 21st one, potential gradient of potentiometer E1 R by R plus RH plus R1 bracket into L. 18th one, 22nd one, magnetic induction at the center of triangle is 18 into mu naught by 4 pi I by L. 23, if B is equal to 1 by 8 B naught, X is equal to root 3 R. 24th one, number of turns increased by X, then magnetic induction at the center is X square B, where B is initial magnetic induction. 25th one, the ratio when two coils connected in parallel, the magnetic inductance ratio R2 square by R1 square. 26th one, ammeter resistance is A. To increase the range by n times, the shunt required A by n minus 1. 27th one, current sensitivity is BAN by C. Current sensitivity BAN by C. 28th one, reading of the voltmeter V is equal to Ig into G plus R. 29th one, bar magnet bend in the arc form, then magnetic moment 2m sin theta by 2 by theta. 30th one, time period of vibrating magnet 2 pi root of I by mbh. 31st one, magnet cut into n equal parts perpendicular to axial line. New time period is t dash is equal to t by n. 32nd one, when the magnet short magnet rotated through 90 degrees, the magnetic induction at a previous null point is root 5 BH. BH is horizontal component of earth field. 33. Relative permeability is equal to susceptibility plus 1. Mu r is equal to xi plus 1. 34th one, induced charge is equal to d phi by capital R, where R is resistance. 35th one, energy stored in inductor half Li square. 36th one, the mutual inductance between the two coils proportional to L square by capital L, small l square by capital L. 37th one, current in the inductor is changing, induced EMF is equal to minus L into di by dt. 38th one, relation between number of turns in primary secondary, N2 by N1 is equal to I1 by I2. 39th one, the power consumption is P is equal to half V0 I0 cos phi, where phi is phase angle between current and voltage. 40th one, in inductor, current expression I is equal to I0 sin omega t minus pi by 2. Current lagging the voltage by pi by 2. 41st one, impedance of LCR circuit root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. 42nd one, phase angle is phi between current and voltage in LCR circuit, tan phi is equal to XL minus XC by R. 43, frequency during resonance is 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by LC. Quality factor Q is equal to W naught into omega naught into L by R. Omega naught into L by R. 45th one, during resonance, XL is equal to XC, Z is equal to R, I is maximum, and phase angle phi is 0, tan phi 0, cos phi is 1. 46th one, displacement current ID is equal to epsilon naught d phi E by dt, that is equal to capacity C into change in the rate of change of electric potential dV by dt, C into dV by dt. 47th one, refractive index of the medium is equal to root of mu r epsilon r. 48th one, average energy density of electromagnetic wave is half epsilon naught E naught square r 1 by 2 b square b naught square by mu naught. 49th one, relation between electric field intensity and magnetic field intensity E is equal to C into B. 50th one, expression for magnetic induction field B is equal to B naught sin omega t minus kx. Okay, check your answers and practice the derivations again.